Okay, so we were discussing about the tables, right? So like that tables has been given multiple, you know, ways of giving the tables, and also see that table stripe today. That means this kind of table will come. So row by row, this will change, right? For that, see what you need to do. Table stripe. So if you add that, it will be like that. And also see table stripe column. If you want column wise, you can do that. Are you getting, guys? So like that. So if you want any way, you want any kind of, this is a table, dark table, striped. So there are multiple ways of, tables, and you can able to choose your own thing out of the given multiple ways. For example, I taken this particular class. You observe that dot means what? The previous one, they given already example. Only they give the change where you wanted to do. That's most important thing you want to understand. This is the table class, and inside the table tag, we have a class called table. We already have the table. Now, on top of it, one more class is table striped columns. That's what you wanted to add there. That's what you were talking. Okay. Like that, by seeing the tags, you need to be understanding it. I have a table class already, and then I just add this. Then the moment I add it, what's going to happen? You just observe. Uh, See that? That will become like that. Okay. So the way the table stripe, so however you want generally, like you want row wise stripe or you want column wise stripe based on the class you are adding, it will be automatically. Even though the column level also, you don't want all this kind of thing. I wanted a class, one particular column only, I want different color. Then you can do that also. That's what they were explaining there. Right. Guys, are you understanding it or not? For example, I have been shown you that, right? For example, only the TD you want like a danger. Where is the danger? This one. Then take that particular thing and apply to the particular TD you wanted to apply. Are you getting? So that might be a conditional you apply, or however you wanted to make this particular thing like class is equal to table danger, for example. Okay. Then you go and check what could be the output. That column become like that. So like that, you can able to customize your table. That means you need to understand the table, how they given, what is the classes and things given, so that how it will looks like. That's the most important thing you need to understand. There are so many. Why I am talking about all these things? Why I'm talking about all these things? Because like this, only for each and every widget, you need to read and understand. The documentation given clear cut picture about the widget what provided by the Bootstrap. And this is not only Bootstrap, guys, any other frameworks also. Each and every framework, they given you clear cut information in the documentation. You have to read it like this and understand. This is the most important thing in your life. 99% you do this only, because always you wanted to work in a Bootstrap or an Angular or any other framework. You don't know everything, because you just know whatever you worked a lot, but other things, there are so many other things where there you don't know. Then what you will do? But still you have to do it sometimes. The requirement will come to you. What you need to do, you should go there, official websites, and read the documentation. They will clearly explain each and everything about it. Okay, you read it from there, understand it, and then use it in your program. That's what you need to be do every day. That's why I'm talking about. So if it is a TR level, how it is, table level, how it is, even TD level, how it is, even some kind of model, see table stripe, which is row level, table striped columns, which is column level. Each and everything they have been given. Right. Table dark and table stripe. That means multiple ways also you can see dark and stripe. Both can be applied. The class can be applied multiple. Na? You will have a column striped also, row striped also. All the columns also in one class. That's fine. That is also explaining over there. So if in this particular case, table dark means the dark table you will get it like this. Dark in color, black in the background and white in the kind of thing. Okay. And also dark striped columns like that you can add it. There are multiple things like success also. Their success means little green color it will be applied. Not much green, guys. If you're very, very lighter, and I told you already, they won't give you very bright because this is all very, very much carefully chosen colors. For color blind people also, it will be very soft and looks good, all these things. Okay. So it's all accessibility things also added over there. Accessibility is the most important thing nowadays for each and every widget. We have to have a accessibility, which is accessibility is one of the biggest feature nowadays. It's upcoming feature. We have responsive, we have adaptive, and also accessible. Okay, and also progressive. There are some terminologies. Okay, like responsive web design, adaptive web design, progressive web design, and accessibility. Right, four kinds of web designs are there. Every time people will ask for that. Okay, responsive web design in a sense, it's kind of a one design should be able to apply for all kinds of resolutions like mobile resolution, or it is a kind of a desktop resolution, or a laptop, or a kind of a tab, or any small device or a big device. Your design is one, for your development is one, but everything it should apply. That is responsive. Adaptive development means you are developing separate web pages for separate devices. For example, mobile device separate website you are creating. For a desktop you are creating separately. For a tab you are creating separately, like that. That is what is called adaptive web design. Okay, adaptive web design means each and every resolution you adapted it only for that you need to support. You don't want to support anything, because in the responsive web design there are so much compromisation you have to do, because it's very much difficult. Some of them you have to leave it. But whereas if you are go with the adaptive, you don't want to compromise. You are working only for one device, right? You can do perfectly fit for that particular device. Like that, adaptive. Then progressive is there. Progressive web design is a separate thing. Progressive web designs are something like offline also it should work. If the internet is not connected also, it should work. For example, nowadays if you are going for a Facebook and all, even though disconnected, all the whatever is loaded thing, it will work as is. It will work as it is. It will like as it take the like, it took everything. Then later, if the internet is connected, all the things will be updated. So that kind of applications, which is runs in the offline also properly, it won't only works for internet, but it will be loaded into the UI and it works smoothly even though internet is not there. That kind of web designs are called progressive. Are you getting, guys? So, and one more thing which I told you, accessibility. Accessibility means the blind people, the color blind people, there are some disability people, they also need to use your application. How we were supporting those kind of guys? You understand what I mean? That is what is called accessibility. So these four things are the most important thing we have to follow while you are developing it. Nowadays, we are adopting some of the professional frameworks. They already did those. Until you go and change it, you go and apply your own colors and your own things, your own alignments, that won't do anything, any problem. If you go and change everything, then that's all, it's gone. Because you don't know what color you are applying, you don't know why you are applying, you don't know, are you able to taken care of all these things? You just only seeing the color. You are not talking about accessibility, progressive, color blind, accessibilities, and all these things. Whatever the color given, I just applied, finish. That is the problem. While you are not carefully customizing that Bootstrap kind of professional tools, now you are losing so many facilities, which is Bootstrap inbuilt they given. Are you getting, guys? That is the most important thing you have to understand. Okay. So that is the most important thing. Any questions in this? We'll talk about all this progressive and all later point of time. Okay, don't worry. Any questions on that?
No, sir.
Okay, and you observe that one column can be able to merge to two columns. This is what is called call span. And if you observe that call span 2 means it will happen. Okay, two columns will be spanned. That means two columns making one. If you observe that, this is how it is. Three columns also you can make it one. This is two columns now. You wanted to make it one sometimes, but that is what is called call span. So all these things, if you observe there, now you will understand it. Okay, and also the given you how the call span works, how we can like apply the particular active. to the particular class. All these things can be able to understand here, and it's most important thing. They even given the mixins for advanced level developments, and also they given so many border way of doing it. See, table border. It will give you a full border. See, are you getting? You even though see there are table bordered with different colors, table bordered primary. Primary means blue color. Generally, we used to have a primary means this kind of colors. Like primary is there means all these other things will be there. Danger, success, info, everything will be there. Just simply you can use it. And also there are multiple. See, no borders. No borders you want it. No borders. Borderless. Table borderless. Like that. Okay, there are multiple tables, guys. See, small tables, small rows. Are you getting? Big, small. See, these are a normal height, na? Normal height of the. If you observe the normal height, right? It's big, a little bit bigger. But if you go with a smaller, it will become a small. Don't want to do anything. You just wanted to have a table SM. That's all. You understand what I'm saying? For that, what you need to do, you table SM. It will become a smaller. That's all. So each and everything is available. You have to utilize as it is from the Bootstrap. Whenever you are in the Bootstrap, now you 99% you should not apply your own CSS. You should avoid it. You read the documentation from the padding, margin, color, everything is given here. Use the Bootstrap only. Okay, you wanted to have a margin, you wanted to have a padding, you should have a kind of a flex, you wanted to have kind of this kind of alignment, whatever the alignment you want, everything can be done in the Bootstrap itself. All you need to do is just go through with the documents and understand it, you apply it. That will be very efficient way of doing. Since we are not reading anything and not understanding, you are doing your own way, that will become a problem. Are you getting, guys? That's the most important thing we need to understand. And like that, there are so many. So you wanted a divider, you wanted to have a divider, you will have a divider, and you will have a vertical. See, like that. Multiple things were already developed, guys. This is the latest version I'm showing you. Previous versions are these many things were not there, but in the latest version, there are so many things they added. See, different tables in one table. See, table inside table, kind of. Each and everything they given. Okay, you wanted to just go through with that. You will go through with that and just remember it. You will understand some requirement will come in. I can use this Bootstrap. You will easily understand. Okay, by seeing any requirement by wireframe looking and all, right? So that's what it is. The responsive tables also there. You wanted to have a responsive table, then you just add a table responsive. It become responsive. See that table responsive. It will become a responsive. Responsive. I told you just now. It will fit for each and every resolution of the screen. So SM means small, MD means medium, LG means large, extra large, even extra large. The classes can be able to apply. That's how the names have been given. So that is what you need to understand. So just you can have a responsive SM, responsive dash MD, like that your own classes you can add it. It will be applied automatically fit for the particular device. So for that you don't need to do anything. That's what I'm telling you. If you're adapting Bootstrap now, you should not do anything. All the things were there in the Bootstrap. You have to use it and understand. See that table responsive LG for the larger screens, you can able to do that. MD means medium screen, SM means small screens like that. So if you apply that, it will be automatically fit. It will take care of fitment of the small devices and automatically it will fit all the columns and things, which will be applicable for the small devices. Okay. Any questions, guys? It has been given so many things. I'm going to show you the dynamically customize how it is, but statically first you need to look into the each and every part of the Bootstrap thing which is provided. That's the most important thing. Okay, that is one thing I would like to show you. And other things you can just go with the layout part. The layouts are the most important again. Okay, the layouts are something like what where the widgets are you are keeping. This is one layout. Okay, see, it is in the column wise layout. It's down by down, it is right like that. And also see that side by side. So these are the kind of a layout. So for that row and columns only we have. Okay. So what it is having here. So it is just having the MD3 kind of thing, which is kind of a grid way of doing it. And also you just observe here it is column by one row they taken and they made it as two columns. So that whatever the widget you put it, it will automatically fit. And doesn't matter which big and which small, it automatically fits for it. Okay. Wherever you keep this, it will fit. Okay. That is how that automatically taken care. And also see that how much animated it is. It's very nice animated with the borders. That all these things will automatically comes for us, right? And also you see that some gutters and all will be there. Kind of things will be there. You need to be understand that G3 means some spaces between the particular layout. And also see that there are some custom layout. We have two columns and one column, three columns, custom column way of doing it. All these things has been explained over there, like how we can give the spaces. See, call 12 means total occupied 100% here, but you can able to give like 6 4 3 2 like that, then automatically that much only it will be applicable. So the columns are the 12 total, and you can able to divide into however you want. Like custom layout is the most important thing, and you can able to use this particular custom layout for the our own widget to fit actually. And this is not only text box. It's given the example here. You can apply, you can put anything here. You can put list box, radio button, or a image, or whatever you want. You can able to. That's what just an example thing they given here. You need to understand how the layout is actually spanning up to the horizontal and also vertical. Okay. For that, what are the rows and columns has been given. That's the most important thing you need to observe. Any questions, guys? All these things I will tell you in the next class, like how we can able to dynamically customize, but you need to understand statically how they were already there and how we can change it. Like only change you wanted to make it is internal part of it, like label what to show and what a kind of widget you wanted to change it. But other things and all, you should not touch it. If you touch it, it will be broken. You understand what I'm saying? Variation we already seen about it. And also the range. See this, the rangers and so many things they given. Disabled range, this kind of range. There are multiple ranges will be there, and input groups are there. Input groups, some group of inputs with see this input box with icon and then box like that. There are sometimes some symbol has to come along with the widget like this. Okay, how we can do that? That is also available there. These all things manually if you do it will be very difficult, guys. Okay, and floating labels, floating labels are the labels which will be like, see, kind of pop-ups. Show in the pop-up in the top, like I have something happened, something. Those things and all also there. Okay, kind of multiple ways are there actually, and you can able to understand those, and we will able to customize it. There are accordions. Accordion means right, collapse and expand, these kind of things. See that multiple ways of accordions were there. So how to take the accordion and all, it will be having examples. These are the most important stuff. Okay, these are the alerts. Alerts means some notification to the user, right? So if the green means like a success, red means it is a danger. Kind of all kinds of alerts has been given already. And how to do it? Alert primary. This is the class we just put it. Automatically that alert will be shown in the wherever you want to enter the browser. So like that. Also badges are there. These are the badges. See, small badge to larger badge. There are multiple. See, button with badge. Sometimes button will have some number will show. That time you can just use this thing so that there is a badge over there. This badge can be changed. So if you understand this properly, where to change, what to change, you will easily understand. That's how. So each and every this is a badge. This is a badge in top, right? For that, Like this you can have. Like the position is relative, and also the badge is top, smart 100, 99 plus. This is a change you can put. If you change this particular thing will change. And also it's a danger, BG danger, that's why it is red there. That means BG primary, BG success, we can able to put it there. Based on that, the color will change. So like that. So each and everything, guys, you wanted to have this kind of, badges and this kind of badges. So how many types of badges are there? Same success, secondary, primary, danger, warning, for these kind of things only, okay? And breadcrumbs are there. Breadcrumb means like this path. Okay, if you're good showing the path, na, where are you path kind of thing. That is what is called breadcrumb. Okay, multiple breadcrumbs will be there in the application. Always we have a breadcrumb. Now where you are, where are you, like to navigate. User will understand where he is. If he is inside somewhere in the submenus and all, right? So for that also breadcrumbs we are using, and multiple ways of breadcrumbs are given already. Buttons you guys are already know about it. There are multiple buttons, small buttons, big buttons, large buttons, small buttons, block buttons, outline buttons, multiple buttons, guys. Okay. Cards, carousels, drop downs. There are multiple ways of drop downs are there. This is also most important thing. See this drop down button with drop down. Okay. See that kind of drop down. See this multiple different buttons with drop downs. There are multiple drop downs are there. Okay. All these things are the most important thing. Toast means, toast means a pop-up. Okay. This kind of, see, close it, it will be closed. Toast means, see that pop-up came, na? What is this? This one is. You see that pop-up came there? Did you see that? This kind of pop-ups is nothing but toast. Generally, we call it as. Okay. So these are it will show, and that can be able to customize. So you understand this, na? Whatever you want, you can change there. It customize it for us. Okay. Like that, there are so many things were there. I will pick one or two and I can show the customer. I'm stopping the Bootstrap, but you guys has to go through and follow. And it's most important thing to understand like what are things were there, and you need to be very very much useful. Okay, this particular document is most important, and it's most familiar and most easy thing also, because they given each and everything working thing. Okay, that thing is you don't need to do anything, just you can have a whatever the example you have, just go and use it and change it. That's very simple thing. So that is why I was recommend you guys to go through with each and every widget here and understand. See that buttons how can be done. 100% mean like this, but little more darker if you want to give it, how to do it. Opacity you can apply for that. Okay. The opacity means it will make a little bit dark, that means transparent. Okay. Then it will become like this. So shady, you are doing it, getting brighter. You need to do like that. Okay. So all these things can be done, guys. There are so many things has been given there. Shadows has been given there. Small shadow, big shadow. You are it's a dark thing, that's why it's not looking good. You take to your code and see in the browser in the white screen, you will understand what is the shadow, what kind of shadows and how it works and all these things. Okay. Icons also there. Icons are actually currently font awesome by default comes along with a Bootstrap. Okay. There are font awesome icons. Okay. Font awesome icons are the most popular icons, and how to use the font awesome icon. Just wanted to show you. I don't know will that work currently, but let me show that. You just go to a icon library and there might be so many icons. If you click on the particular icons, there will be free icons and paid icons will be there. And these are the icons, guys. Okay, if you want to get this icon, just click on it. You will see that this tag, na? And this tag, this class is the most important thing. FA sharp, FA light, FA house. If you do this, you will see the icon. You're getting it. So like that, there are so many icons because in nowadays icons are the most important. See, everywhere icons are used, na? These icons. So icons are the most important. There are multi-purpose icons are given. Okay, in the icon library. Font awesome is the most popular icon library. Along with Bootstrap, it will get it. Pro will won't come because Pro is a paid one, but basic one you will get it. But all icons will be there in that. All we need to understand is just click on the icon you want, and then see this class you can just put in I tag. That's all. Okay. So, and what is the icon's speciality? Because icon is not a image, it's actually SVG diagram. So we can change the color and size and everything. Doesn't matter. Just like a character, it's just like a character. For a character, how it will change? A size I can change, or a color I can change. Guys, are able to hear me? Hello? Are you able
Yes,
to
sir.
see the
Yes, sir.
screen, guys? Okay.
Yes, sir. We can.
Sir, yes, sir, we are able to see it.
So icons were like a character. A character means what? Like like a character is there, you can just change the size of the character, very big character. It will distort anything. You can change the color, you can reduce the color, you can change whatever you want to do like that. For icon also you can do. Icon is kind of a character for us. You can put whatever you want, you can able to do it actually. Let me just check if the Bootstrap works with the font icon, because font icons, font awesome, that is the library name. Let me put one icon. Class is equal to FA circle. Let me just save it and try with this. Are you able to see anything? No. Oh, it went on top, guys. I don't know. Okay, let me put inside this div. Is it coming? Okay, I don't know. This font awesome is not applied over there, but yes, I'll tell you how to integrate the font awesome. Okay, then you will see these icons can be able to use this class as what provided by the font awesome library, guys. And also Pro will have a multiple way of doing it, because the colors can be changed and make it a little bit sharp and customize it and get it done. That's Pro can do it. That means you need to pay for it. But for a normal general purpose, free icons are available. We can use them. Okay. Yeah. And Bootstrap will support that kind of icon libraries as well. Any other questions, guys? This is the most important thing. Okay. Any questions?
Nothing, sir. It is clear.
Okay. So I'm stopping the session here. And the next session, I'm going to pick some of the things, and I'll show you how to customize in the static as well as dynamic way of doing it. And then we'll finish the Bootstrap and go for a jQuery. And jQuery, after jQuery, this one, Angular. Okay. With the Angular, our UI thing will be stopped. Okay. Then we will start the backend from there. Thank you very much. And you need to be practice more, and any questions or anything is there, let me know. We'll correct it and we'll continue the sessions. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this session, please comment and share this video. If you don't want to miss my upcoming videos, please subscribe the channel.